The cam.
Yeah, double tap.
We got the Ed Cam.
Oh, snap, that's me.
Yeah, that's
We got Black Widow. This is all really amazing stuff. The little Captain America. I've seen that one. I'd seen a picture of that one. Little Batman logo.
I'm loving it all. I'm gonna steal it all.
You gonna steal them all? We got Wonder Woman.
There we go.
yeah,
Love it.
That's cool.
I feel bad that she made these. Like they gave them all to me. It's like you should probably keep a couple of them for
Dude, we
yourself.
can do so much with these things.
This is my favorite one.
That was the
That's
one
cool.
like I requested
awesome.
specifically. I was like, can I
The
get
Punisher. That's
can I get a
It's the best logo in
Yeah.
all of pop culture.
in
Actually.
all of pop culture?
Ever.
Voted number
Pop culture
7.
history.
We got Pokemon ball.
Very cool.
Remember what the
Pokeball?
ball had a name?
Pokeball.
A Pokeball.
Oh, well, far be it for me to think it would be something more original.
And I think there's
There's a Yankees logo,
Okay.
New York Yankees logo. Because if I had to pick a team, I would pick the Yankees. So I make sure I showed all of those.
Very cool.
And I think there might be more in the bottom. Yes, there is. There's a Wicked Theory logo that she made.
Oh, very
Wow.
cool. I like
Very
Very
nice.
nice.
I definitely like the black.
How about
red
that?
with the white.
Bill,
That
I
is
think
the
you,
coolest thing.
you got
Well
some
done.
competition for creative design.
Yeah, for some arts and
This
crafts
is-
projects,
this was
right?
these were made by Grayson and stuff.
No, this is all made by Logan.
Oh,
By
these were
Logan.
Logan. Okay.
These are all Logan.
Well, thank you, Logan.
Really
These are
beautiful
awesome.
and amazing stuff. This is overwhelming. This is a lot more than I thought we were going to get today.
Right, right.
I mean, love it all.
Oh! They at the Stranger Cons want you to know that Logan
that's
made
great.
the flower on the box as well.
Okay,
Well, let's show
cool.
that off there a little bit, because that's a
Actually,
craft
nice.
project all on its own. That's a multi-layered thing there
Yeah,
with
there's
a
like
little
5 or
butterfly.
6 layers to the flower.
So
I think we should have Logan on the show.
I think Logan's going to have to be on the show before her father ever is. That's for sure. Because
So Agent Palmer,
Grant just
next time
sends me stuff. He doesn't make
We'll
stuff.
tell Agent.
You know.
We'll tell
Sure,
Agent
there's a lot of
Palmer
heart in
to
making
stop by
them.
Michigan and pick them up and bring
You know
them
what I
when
mean?
he comes.
And I think this is going to be my new look. I think I'm just going to go,
Just kidding.
like this next Halloween.
Very,
No?
very
I like it.
colorful roster.
Yeah, something
Yes.
like that. Very, very scrappy.
It
Scrappy.
could be like the new Marvel
like
superhero.
a-
Rastaman.
Ragman.
Psychedelic
Bringing
process.
Ragman back. Wow.
There
So,
we go.
Again, guys, can't thank you enough. This is amazing. This is overwhelming. The amount of homework that we have to do with the movies is overwhelming. But really,
Yeah,
can't
it's
thank you
over-
enough. This is really, really cool stuff.
It's
I mean,
overwhelming to me too, because if they knew you, they wouldn't have sent you shit.
right, if they really
You're
knew
such a
me,
squat.
right, that's don't listen to him, kids. I'm a nice guy.
No, he is.
I'm just not nice to him.
He's the good brother.
But there's years and years of history between me and him. You know what I mean? Yeah. One day you'll get it. You know what I mean? You got to see.
family.
You know. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to hang these up, but definitely the artwork and all of these. I don't know what you call these. What is the next? Well, they can hear. What is the name of this type
I don't know.
of?
They want you to know Gray made Iron Man and Captain America.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Oh, all right. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, I forget what the name of this is.
Evidently there's a stash hidden in the blanket lining.
What?
There's more hidden. Wow.
Well, let's be careful because the
Well,
kids
we
are
got a
watching.
package with Easter eggs, man.
Like, is this part of a joke? Because this might be like a
No, not hashtag. No, not really.
Good timing because he wouldn't cut it open.
I was ready to. I was feeling funny. I was like, she's got these little knots at the end. Maybe there's something hidden. I don't know. Like, all these different things. This is really, really incredible. This is much more than I mean, I figured a little bit of artwork. I knew the plastic bead stuff was coming, but the movies and the book and the mug is, what I mean. This is more. Like, I know you guys liked me, but I was not this cool when I came there. Like, this is more. Just so you guys here at the table.
Did you guys see his cell phone? That's all I have to ask. Did you see what kind of cell phone he has? And you thought he was this cool?
Like, really? I mean, come on. No, the kids didn't see that. I hid that. I tried really hard to hide the cell phone until, like, they saw me with it out. Like, you know what I mean? And
You
even
told
then,
them
it always
Star
stops
Trek
them.
communicated.
Yeah, well, I should have. No, I bought this at a convention. That's what I should do. I should dress it up as a Star Trek community.
There you go.
This way, no one will really.
You gotta set it up so that when it opens, it goes makes that Star
There you go.
Trek the
There you go.
opening sound.
I love it. I love all of this. So, just a big thanks from me. Like, huge. Like, I can't tell you enough. Like, This is big.
Thank
And
you.
there wasn't any chili. There wasn't any chicken chili in there. I mean, I didn't see it yet. Maybe it's hidden somewhere. But next time we can do that next time, maybe.
You want me to make it chili? I can make it chili. I make it mean
But you're
chili.
not gonna make it as good as Beth made it.
Beth made
Just
the
because
blanket.
I mean, you can make it one that's probably better, but because you're not Beth, it'll never be as good as
Are you
Beth's.
sure
Okay?
she didn't make the blanket out of chili?
Beth made the blanket too, Bill.
Well, I know. Well, that's what's amazing.
That's impressive.
That alone
So how do you
is
know?
and it's warm too. Not for nothing. Like it's thick.
Again,
Yeah.
so
Yeah,
how
it's
do you
like double layered and stuff, man. This took time. This is too much. All right, enough.
Bill, you should be reading these
Enough.
comments.
I'll pull an Obama right now. And
All right.
This is-
Thank you.
A lot of late nights.
so thank you very much. You know, we're gonna wrap this up.
I have no idea how to turn this off. So someone
So
take it away from me.
I'll take it away from you. Thanks very much.